we're Shaquille O'Neal's news channel, and if you ain't first, you're last. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jacob DeGo, and we are gonna get some people's opinions on the past because they just got back from the past. They risked their lives to try to kill a T-Rex. So, Eccles, what was the past like?
Well, it was good. I went to kill a T-Rex, and I did, but I might have changed things a little bit.
Again, hear that? Eccles, why do you look so confused?
Why is everything spelled differently than before I left?
What do you mean? Everything looks normal.
No, it looks a lot different than before I left. Wait, who's the president?
Dr. Of course.
What? He's terrible.
He's doing that weakling key.
Eccles, what is on your shoe?
Travis, come here.
Yeah.
Look at my shoe.
Oh my gosh! Did that come from the past?
I hope not. This cannot be happening. Can we just make it alive again?
No, it's not how it works, Eccles.
Yes, it is. There has to be a way.
Did you change the future?
This cannot be happening.
Travis, what are you doing? You'll see.
Wait!